Hey guys, it's me, Rockstar Bendy, and today I'm at you with another video. Yes, and I am so sorry I have not posted in a very long time. Today's the day, and I have someone to introduce you to. Let me go get him. Be right back. There we go. Hold on. I'm coming. Alright. So, I have someone to introduce you to. Please welcome Rockstar Bendy Jr. How you doing, Rockstar Bendy Jr.? I'm doing fine. Yeah, so today we are going to show our fans something that we got very special. What is it? You'll find out. Let's go check it out. Okay. But I don't want to be in the video anymore. But alright. Because you sure? I'll be in the next video. Okay, fine. Bye. Okay, well, Rockstar Bendy Jr. is kind of weird, but don't mind him. Let's just take a look about what I'm gonna show you. Alright, so you know the first Bendy and the Ink Machines that I had, Dead Boris, Bendy, Ink Demon, and the Ink Machine? Okay, so yeah, I don't know why I just put this machine up there for no reason, but if you already saw it, there's a wall next to it, and it wasn't there before. You want to know what it is? I'll show you. The recording studio. Yes, I have it. And so today I'm going to show you all the details and stuff. So first of all, I'm going to show you the characters. So here's Alice Angel. Alright, so the next one is an ink searcher. Oh yeah, and by the way, there's a bacon soup can right here. Bacon soup can. So yeah, put that back. Oh, okay, there we go. And there's Sammy Lawrence. Alright, so let me show you one of the cool features. There is actually a projector that you can move around. You can make it look down and up. So yeah. And there's a guitar, a drum. Well, not a guitar, but that's a banjo. And a piano, a recording sticker, the windows, and this poster has a little key hidden somewhere. Let me try to get the close-up so you can try to see the key. It's down there. I'm gonna have to move one of the chairs. Yeah, right there. You can't really see it that good, but there's like a little key there. So, okay. Let me just fix this chair, and you can like fold it like I'm doing it right now. This is how the chair stands up, and you can fold it like that. Alright, so let me put the chair back. And there's like a microphone up here for the recording thing. Oh yeah. Now let me show you a feature that I do. Back in chapter 5, you know that secret Sammy ink searcher whenever you get the scythe? the secret safe. And then whenever you go to Joey G's office, you meet a Sammy searcher. Well, in the set, you get a searcher named Sammy, so if you just put Sammy's head on the ink searcher, you get that secret boss. So there you go. And something else I wanted to show. Oh, sorry. Okay, hold on. Let me just fix these characters, and then I will come. Oh no. Let me get Sammy's body. Okay, got it? Oh, so. Alright. Let me put Sammy back really quick and I'll show you something else I can do. So you see this projector here? Well, I could take it off. But I don't want the whole thing. I just want this piece. Alright, hold up. I need to fix the projector. This might take a while. Okay, there we go. Got it. Alright, so you see this projector here? Well, it could stick onto heads, but not the Bendy character. So I have this extra body right here that was a Lego. And, you see this? If you put the projector head on the spare body, well, the results you get is your homemade projectionist. So yeah, that's all what I wanted to show you today, and I'm glad I showed you it. Hold up. So yeah, this is the Legos I got, and I hope you like and enjoy this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.